Do you want to insert image inside the cell in Excel? Let me show you. For example, I have image like this and insert into like this. Okay, so if you copy or insert image from anywhere, in here we have two options: place image over the cell or inside the cell. So it depends on you, but let me try it outside the cell first. And these options are available in Excel 365, but I believe it would be available in version 2024, maybe the update of 2021. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, and make another copy, and let me copy to another one, and let's insert here. Just click here, and boom, it goes. But if you want to insert into the cell directly, for example, you focus right here or right here, just insert image and place in the cell and drag to your computer or stock image. It depends on you. And then, for example, this one, and boom, it direct into the cell. And even it looks clearer when we insert directly, but we can place it out, okay, or place it in, okay. It look much clearer when it rendering, so that better. But sometimes it depends on the rendering. Okay, hope you learned something from video. See you.